Hello, I'm in a 2013 Ford Fiesta, and today I'm going to show you how to toggle between your language options in your interface between English, Spanish, French, or Portuguese. So first you'll start the vehicle, wait a moment for everything to load, but we're going to use this menu button to get to your menu options, and then we're going to be scrolling with these arrows, mostly up and down, and then OK to make selections. So I'll get close so you can see. OK to clear that out. Now I'm hitting the menu button, and then I'm going to just scroll down until I get to display, and then I'm going to hit OK, and then down again, and then OK, and that's all with this. And then you just scroll to the language you want. I'll do Spanish, hit OK, and then it auto changes everything, so there's nothing else you have to do. And then back if you want to go back. Obviously I speak English, so I'm going to switch it back to English. And there we go. And then when you're on it, you just hit OK. And that's it. I hope this was helpful and hope you have a wonderful day.